Hello, everyone, and welcome to this beautiful forum. My name is Dr. Chi Okori, and I want to specially welcome you to my hair care journey. If you have been on this journey or you are trying to start up on your hair care, natural hair care journey, you are welcome. I want to hear from you. I want you to share what you have used that worked for you, because this is a journey. It's not a one-time thing. It's a journey. So I want to welcome you specially. So let me take you back to how this started. So in 2018, I decided I was done with everything relaxer. I didn't want to relax my hair anymore because I noticed that every time I relax my hair, I would itch. It would make me, like, it literally burn. I switched different relaxers. I used the children one and nothing. And at that point in time, I was just done. I said, okay, I'm going to go natural. So I grew my hair for years. So from 2018, I grew my hair up until 2021, 2022. I was using, just basic things that we use. I didn't know much about hair. I just was growing my beautiful hair as much as I could. Then in 2021, 2022, I was hit with a life-changing event, went through a divorce, custody battles, the stress, inflammation in my body, and everything just went haywire. So because of that stress in my body, my hair was falling out. So I had to do a big chop right here. Yes, so I did a big chop in 2022. It looked nice. I was rocking my hair, my short hair, and I just, loving the style, because I've not had a short hair for a very long time. So in 2022, when everything happened, I didn't have a meltdown. I think one of the reasons I cut my hair, it's like literally cutting my hair from the root. I had braids on and I was just cutting my hair from the root. It was more like a clean slate for me, starting out fresh. I just wanted that feel to regrow myself, not just the hair, but just to naturally regrow myself. So fast forward to 2024, I decided, okay, I'm done. And I was tired of wearing wigs all the time. I wanted to restart my hair. I started a little bit here and there, but wasn't really taking it seriously. I felt like I was at a place where physically, mentally, emotionally, I was ready to rebrand myself and go back on this hair growth journey that I started in 2018. But officially in January, I looked at the mirror and I said, yes, I think this is a time this year that I actually need to take this seriously. So this is what it was sometime last year, December-ish. And right now I feel like it has stretched a little bit. So what do you expect to see from this channel? I'm going to be sharing the whole journey with you guys. I'm going to be sharing some DIYs. Now, what I want you to understand that I am a herb lover. I'm going to be sharing weekly updates about my hair growth. I'm going to be sharing DIY recipes using all herbs and wellness. I'm not sure if you've seen the video of me, showing you my herb pantry. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. So I'm going to be using all DIYs, all herbs. There are some that I've tried the past 6 months that has really given me the bulk and thickness and regrown some bald patches that I had here some time ago. Honest reviews. I'm not a big fan of using too many products. So, but if I have used, or if I'm using any product, I'm going to give you honest reviews about what have worked for me or what is working. There's no hype. If something is not working or I don't like something, or if it didn't work for me, I'm just going to tell you. But like I said, you're not going to be seeing me use a lot of products because my hair is not a marketplace. I'm not just going to be dumping stuff on my hair without knowing what it is based on my health condition. So I'm going to be doing protective stylings, growth challenges. I'm embracing this journey. So this is a personal journey for me. I'm not sure if you are in this journey, if you've been there before, if you're in the middle of it, but this is more like a personal journey of regrowth, rebranding, finding myself again and embracing everything womanhood, from all of the things that I've gone through physically, mentally, health-wise, family-wise. This is more like a journey for me, and I just want to enjoy every bit of it. And most importantly, we're going to have real conversations, because this is, like I said, a healing process for me, a healing journey about self-worth, healing, and most importantly, finding joy in the process of my natural hair growth. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like, let's grow together and build a community. If there's something that you have used before that worked for you, please let me know in the comment section.